Shemai Ukulaliens. Right, we got to half term. I didn't think we were going to make it, to be honest, but we did. It's been lovely catching little bits of some of you all the time, but we still can't play our ukes together. So with Christmas fast approaching, I thought it'd be nice to do some more videos. So I'm doing this as a sort of ultimate help video. Hopefully I won't have to do another one. So what do you need and how do you make your video for our play along videos? First of all, you need your ukulele and it needs to be in tune, all right? Secondly, you're going to need something to record your video on. I'm doing it on my video camera at the minute, as you can see, but you could use your phone, you could use a tablet, a laptop, a PC if it's got a webcam on it, anything that will take a video, all right? But if you're using a phone or a tablet, please hold it landscape, all right? Landscape, do not hold it portrait like that. It makes a much better video if you hold your device that way, and put it on something. Either get somebody to hold it or put it on a music stand, but make sure it's not wobbling about everywhere. All right. Next thing, you're going to need something to follow the play along video with. It could be your phone, it could be a laptop, it could be a tablet. All right. Look, if I look, there's my tablet there. All right, I've got it on a music stand just in front of my camera. So the really important thing with this is we need to play the song at exactly the same time. So it's really important you follow our play alongs, okay? Now when you're following the play along, we don't want to hear it on the recording. So you're going to have to plug some headphones in, or big headphones, it doesn't really matter. Or what I'm going to do is use an AirPod. These are the cheap ones from Home Bargains. All right, so now I can hear my video on my iPad, but you can't hear it in the recording, and that is really important. Now you can take as many tries as you need to record the video. Practice it first, all right? But you know, record it until you're happy. But if you do make some little mistakes, don't worry about them. I can edit those out, all right? Nobody will even notice, but it's really important you play all the way through the song. Something new, really important, okay? This might make my job much easier, I just don't know. When you start to record, can you please play the... Alright, at the beginning, you know, the actual intro of the video, that bit. Along with the play along, because that will give me something to line up all the audio. So something new but really important, but it also means we've got a nice few seconds at the beginning of the video. So once you do your... Don't sit there and pick your nose or get bored, all right? Just be ready for the beginning of the song and give yourself a few seconds at the end as well, all right? Don't sort of go rushing to switch your device off. If you can sing, great. If you can't, don't worry, just strum along. Now, some of our songs will use kazoo in them, all right? We did for Delilah, only the ones where I say we can use kazoo. You'll have to make two videos, all right? You'll have to make your ukulele video and your kazoo video in exactly the same way, playing along, all right? And if you are playing the kazoo, you know, like so, hold it sideways so that you can see it better, or like that, and don't come too close into the device because you'll end up deafening us and distorting everything, okay? So if there's a kazoo in the song, you need two separate videos. So quick recap, you need your uke, it needs to be in tune, you need something to record yourself with and you hold it landscape, and you need something to play along with using your headphones so you can hear it and it's bang in time. Other little things to think about where you're recording, okay, and try and sort of, if you can, get your ukulele and yourself into the screen, and make sure it is light enough that it's not too grainy. And don't forget to play the intro at the beginning of the song. So I'll quickly just run through the actual process. So I've got my iPad ready, I've got my headphones in, I've got my ukulele tuned. I'm going to press record now. Imagine I've just pressed record before I press play on my iPad, so I can get the... Alright? And don't worry if you miss the first couple of notes, even if you just end up going... That'll show me where the audio is. I know quite often there is a little bit of a lag between your headphone and whatever you're watching. As long as you're playing along in time with what you're hearing, I can edit it in. Okay, so I'm just going to do a tiny little bit of Three Little Birds just to give you an idea, alright? So I'm recording, play my intro, and that'll help me with the audio. And you'll have a few seconds then to get yourselves ready. Don't pick your nose. Smile. See, I can hear it, you can't. And if you can look at the camera occasionally, great. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing, and so on, okay? And then when you get to the end of the song, just give it a couple of seconds before you press off. Looking forward to seeing your videos.